Alright, I found another elevator at the Regency Square parking garage. Old pre-COVID sign. The post-COVID sign is right there. Oh, the button got stuck. That's not good. So I'm not gonna push the up button anymore. Well, this probably has the older cab design before it was redone. I don't know if they'll redo this cab or not. Who knows? I don't think you can go to R. Nope. Gotta have a key to go to R. We'll go to G. Five. I love those 2-speed doors. I'm gonna get off at G. Yep, this is elevator number 1 for sure. Just basic traction. Too bad it was modernized.